Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to install Microsoft Store in laptop or PC. So let's start. So first, let's go to the search bar and looking for PowerShell. Then just click here, right click, and then just click here and then just click here and run as administrator. Just click here, and then we'll open this page. Okay, so here you have to paste this link that appears here. So just copy this and then just paste on your run it like that, and then just click on enter. This will help you to install Microsoft Store without any problem. When you click on enter, this will start working, and then finally the Microsoft Store will appear again on your device, on your computer. That's this is how it works. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.